Isaias is expected to be a tropical storm as it nears western Massachusetts. So what exactly are the major impacts from a tropical storm? Well, there are two major impacts, of course, rain and winds. But if the rain gets heavy enough, the storms get strong enough, we're also talking about a risk for severe weather. Right now, we can't even rule out an isolated tornado. So first, let's talk about the wind. Tomorrow, early afternoon, not too bad, but as Isaias gets closer to western Massachusetts, look how quickly the winds increase. That bright color has 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. Could even see gusts as high as 60 miles per hour through the evening hours. So this is strong enough to cause widespread damage and, of course, power lines. However, later in the night, especially as we get to Wednesday morning, the winds are going to back off, and Wednesday is actually going to quickly recover from the wind on Tuesday. Now let's talk about the rain. We obviously need the rain here in western Massachusetts. We've been lacking for a few months. However, it is not good to get this much at one time. Right now, initial reports are anywhere from 2 to 4 inches with isolated amounts up to 6 inches. However, this will change as Isaias becomes closer to western Massachusetts. Obviously, it still has a ways to travel. So what can we expect from these impacts? So the rain, it is going to be heavy at times, which means if you are on the roads, you are looking at significant impacts. There's likely flooding with this in all areas of western Massachusetts, although the heaviest rain is focused over especially Berkshire County. So storms, could even see some severe thunderstorms with winds and hail, and we cannot rule out an isolated tornado. However, we will have a much better idea of the tornado risk as we get into Tuesday morning. Also, wind's not just an inconvenience, it can also cause some damage. Just like we saw on Sunday, we're talking about widespread tree damage, and of course, tree damage can lead to downed power lines, and that can lead to power outages. I'm 22 News Storm Team Meteorologist Kelly Reardon.